Brand, Oppo. Released 2017, November. Device type, Android 4G smartphone. Display, screen size 6.0 inches IPS, LCD FHD plus display. Memory, RAM -6 GB, ROM 64 GB. External memory supports up to 256 GB. Camera, 16 megapixel with dual LED, 20 megapixel front camera. Battery, non-removable 3200 mAh lithium polymer. SIM, dual standby. Weight 152 grams, with battery. Dimensions 156.5 mm by 76 mm by 7.5 mm. CPU-Octa-core 4x2.3 GHz ARM Cortex-A53 plus 4x1.6 GHz ARM Cortex-A53. Chipset, MediaTek Helio, 64-bit processor. GPU-ARM Mali G71MP2, 950 MHz, 2 cores. Sensors, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light, compass sensor, fingerprint ID, rear-mounted. Operating system, Color OS 3.2, Android 7.1.1 Nougat OS. I/O interface, 1x nano SIM card slot, 1x nano SIM, 1x microSD card slot, micro USB port, audio out port, power button, volume button, microphone, speaker. Versions, 2 variants available, 4GB/32 GB and 6GB/64 GB. 64 GB.